Hi guys! Today I'm unboxing a new solution for better sleep for all of you with snoring problems. No matter if it's you, the one who snores, or it's your partner. Watch this because I'll show you increasingly popular product, Snore Terminator. Here we have some kind of promise. No more sleepless nights. And as you all can see, here writes that is made with rare earth magnet developed by NASA. From the back you have how does it work and instructions, and I'm gonna read it to you now. So, the magnet inside the nose clip helps open the nasal passage, which helps prevent snoring. When you sleep, the mouth and throat muscles relax. Sometimes the tongue drops, and the vibrations of the uvula during the breathing cycle translates to snoring. It seems easy to use, but I'll follow instructions. Here on the back of product you can read instructions. Expand the nose clip. Place the clip inside the nostrils. Push the clip comfortably into place, making sure it's inserted properly. So let's open now. It opens easily, as you can see here. This is actually the product. And on the bottom are magnets. Okay, now I'll put it in my nostrils. It feels good. It's very comfortable. And what is important, it doesn't bother me while I'm breathing. I hope you liked the video. If you have some snoring problems, you should definitely try Snore Terminator. See you guys!